बताइए कि व्हाट इज एक्चुअली मेमोरी। लोग बोलते हैं कि मेमोरी लॉस हो गई। गजनी मूवी देखी थी, शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी डिजीज थी गजनी, आमिर खान को। सो व्हाट डू मीन बाय मेमोरी?
Memory.
या
So I want to say actually, my sir, we need in data whenever we learn in data. So for it, image very essential. If you will convert any data into image, so we can learn for a long time.
तो नमस्कार साथियों, आपका स्वागत है इस पॉडकास्ट शो में। आज हमारे साथ है मिस्टर मुकेश सर एंड ही इज ए मेमोरी ट्रेनर। ही हैज मच नॉलेज अबाउट द मेमोरी। तो आज मुकेश सर से जानेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चन जो कि मेरे पर्सनली व्यक्तिगत क्वेश्चन है मेमोरी से रिलेटेड, और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स भी हमें क्वेश्चन भेजते हैं। जैसे हम पॉडकास्ट के लिए अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं कि ही आर सी या ये पर्सनालिटी हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पर या इस पॉडकास्ट पर आने वाले हैं, तो पहले ही हमारे पास बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। सो कुछ क्वेश्चंस मेरे स्टूडेंट के रहेंगे, स्टूडेंट के है ऑलरेडी, जो मैं मेरे बिहाफ पर आपसे पूछूंगा। ओके, एंड सेकंड थिंग, मेरे भी कुछ डाउट्स या क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, वो भी मैं आपसे पूछूंगा। सो पहले तो आप ये बताइए कि व्हाट इज एक्चुअली मेमोरी। लोग बोलते हैं कि मेमोरी लॉस हो गई। गजनी मूवी देखी थी, शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी डिजीज थी गजनी, आमिर खान को। सो व्हाट डू मीन बाय मेमोरी?
Memory, sir. Before giving your answer, I want to say about myself.
Yeah.
My name is Mukesh Kumar Keer. I live in Harda district.
Okay.
And I am an author, Sage Willpower.
Okay.
And beside it, I have learned the dictionary also. After some
Very
time,
nice.
if you need,
That's
so you can
nice.
ask me any questions which is related in dictionary.
Right.
You have asked me ki what is your memory and why we forget everything and why we learn everything.
Yeah.
So I want to say actually, my sir, we need in data whenever we learn in data. So for it, image very essential. If you will convert any data into image, so we can learn for a long time. But generally what happen, people student will mugged up, and when they go to any exam, so they forget. Many times they think they appear in the exam after after written their exam hall, they immediately they learn everything.
Yeah.
Why? Because immediately they cannot learn, because they connect they didn't connect any word.
Yeah.
So memory mein we can increase our memory with the help of images.
Exactly.
So how we can connect any image? So for example, if we learn, suppose this is a watch, this is a pen, mobile, there are so many images. Why we have learned it? Because we have watched it.
And we are familiar with this.
We are
item.
familiar with this word.
Yeah.
And now problem is that whatever we are reading, so there is no image in it. Some stories, with the help of stories, we are learning the data. So we face difficulty to it. So if we connect the data into picture, so long time we can learn it
easily. Definitely, that's great. It means कि every word has a specific picture.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. मतलब हर एक चीज की एक पिक्चर होती है, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ पिक्चर हमारा माइंड उसको इमेजिनेशन के दौरान उसको हमेशा और लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए याद रखता है।
जी सर।
बहुत ही अच्छी बात है। दूसरा क्वेश्चन मेरे माइंड में ये है कि स्टूडेंट जैसे ही एग्जाम हॉल में जाता है तो पूरा ब्ला ब्ला हो जाता है उसके माइंड में, तो मैंने बहुत कुछ याद करके आया था। जैसे ही एग्जाम से मतलब उस समय तो वो भूल जाता है, जैसे एग्जाम हॉल से बाहर आता है और फिर रियलाइज करता है, अरे इसका आंसर तो मुझे पता था, ये तो मुझे याद था। तो ये क्यों होता है?
Actually, sir, there are two type memory, I think.
Yeah.
Short term and long term.
Exactly.
Short term memory, actually, we learn today, we learn, and after tomorrow we can forget. And long term memory is that today we have learned, after 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, we will be remembered. So how it is possible? So it is said that some scientists has told that whatever we learn after 2 hours, 2.5 hours, we will forget more than 75%. So again we have to recall it.
What we have done in previous time, right?
And after that 24 hours, within 24 hours, we have to revise it. Then after that within 1 week, 15 days, we have to revise it. Then that data will go to long term memory. Students have a problem is that immediately they can learn. They feel like that now I have learned it, there is no problem. I will go to exam and I will face an exam. But they do not know that after 24 hours, 95% data we forget it. If we don't revise it, we don't repeat it. So students should be repeat.
That is understand.
Because in student life, short-term memory is not working. For him, long-term memory is very essential.
Yeah.
And student will know कि at what times every one revision in 24 hours and second revision in 1 week and third revision in 1 month. In this way, 3 or 4 times if you revise whatever he want to learn it, so definitely they can memorize that word, that content, that data for a long time.
For a long time. You mean कि just if you want to learn anything, so that's why you should practice, and you have
Yes,
to do
sir.
practice
Practice.
repeatedly. You have to do
Repetition is very essential, sir.
exactly, so that that things will be go into long term memory.
Long-term memory.
That's an amazing. मुकेश सर, मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहेगा, जो कि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का डाउट रहते हैं कि जो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर रहते हैं, मतलब क्वेश्चन नहीं आंसर, तो बच्चों को याद करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो ऐसी कोई टिप्स या ट्रिक या कोई ऐसी टेक्निक जो कि आप हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को या हमारे यंगस्टर को आप बता सकें एज ए मेमोरी ट्रेनर?
Yes, sir. Everything we can learn for a long time, but there are some technique and trick. First, I want to say how we can learn anything for a long time. So long time, for reviewing long time, what should we do? Student, firstly, whatever he study, so immediately he should be revise it. The problem is that student, what happened? Student study 1 hour, 2 hour, and he feel like that I have learned it, and after he left it, he leave it. Then what happened? After 2 days, 3 days, he study. Yeah, after 5 days, 1 week, then till that they will forget everything. So for long time memorize, we have to follow some rules and regulation. We have to know at what time we have to repeat the data. So first, suppose we have studied in 1 hour here. After 2 days, 2 hours, 3 hours, we have to revise the data again.